Hi guys, welcome back to the video. It's Jenna, and today we will be talking about my birthday and getting it ready with the treat bags and the invitations and all that stuff. So I have with me now the cards. It says, let's go indoor glamping, which is like camping in style. And at Camp Jenna's to celebrate her 10th birthday, because I will be turning 10. It's on Saturday, April 27th, my actual birthday. And it's at 5 p.m. and the pickup's on the next day at 11 a.m. So basically we have everything we need. We have my dad's name, we have the pizza. We are going to be doing a scavenger hunt. So right now we are just trying to, get the invitations into an envelope, decorate the envelope, and then we're going to go from that to the gift bags. So let's just go from that. So we have all our stuff. We have the cauldron to hold the fire. And we have 2 blue lights, 2 green lights, 2 red lights to put around my house. We got these things to put around for some lighting, decoration. We got some cups, just for eating and drinking. And then we have the bags. And then we have these little patterned little napkins and some plates. So right now I'm making the fire, and the fire looks good. I don't know what color I'm gonna do it. I'm probably gonna do it either or. Wait, I can't. This is orange paper.
But show them my fire compared to your fire.
But her fires look so.
God, they're horrible.
And then up to mine. If you had to choose, comment down below which one's better. Is it either mine or is it her dinosaur feet?
I think I need to take an art class.
So right now I have made the fires. I'm just cutting out the last 2. I've already made 3. It took me a while because somebody tried to make 2, but instead they made dinosaur feet. So
Who would that person be?
I wonder who. Let's go ask the Crafty Sensei. And so basically I'm just cutting out the fires, place them there. Ooh, this fire looks small. And then we'll go from there, starting with the gift bags. And then after that, I want to see if we'll be able to do the fire.
What you doing, Jenna?
Texture on the fire. Little pieces of the wood. Gotta do some texture, you know. Plus, then it won't look like wood. It'll just look like pieces of sticks that nobody wants to use. Plus, you need some texture. That's why it's called glamping. You need some glam. And who doesn't? It looks basic. This is basic. And
Which one's basic?
this is also basic, and that's basic. You need some texture.
Good idea.
Plus, that's what glam means. Make it look beautiful. Or else you don't have any glam. Honestly, for the tents, I already got the fire done. I did some texture. And now I'm going to try and figure out how big do I want the tent. So I'm going to do it this color because, fashion plays right here. And I'm thinking of making it, not too big, to get this side and this side, not there. So between here and here. So I don't know yet, but I'm trying to go there. I'll probably get 1 per page. So let's see how this goes. So I figured out how they made the tent, sadly. They cut it out a triangle like this. And they did a cut in the middle And then they just folded it, and that got me so mad. And now you just have like this, and then you stick it on this right here, like this, and then you'll have your...
Can you show the camera?
Your fire, and then you have the moon up here, and then you have little pegs. So let's just go from there. Basically, now that we have our tent, we are going to have the fire right here, and then the logs would go over it like that. So this is what we have so far. And then I just cut out some of these moons. And we're gonna have the moon. I don't know which way we're gonna face it though. Probably like this way. And this is how it looks like right now. And then all we need now is the pegs right here. And then that's probably all what we're gonna need, and then we'll be done. I have my triangles cut out, and now I'm gonna make a replica of these just by cutting it in the middle. And I need to make 6 of these. And so now that we have them all done, you're just gonna peel like this. So then you just have that. So that's gonna be like the opening of your tent. And then you have that. And then, as I told you, I cut out some moons. Yes, I did. And then you're gonna have them up like that. And then you gotta put your fire there. Then all you have to do is put your sticks. And then you're done. And I have to make 3 more, so, So you can use any type of glue for this. I'm using this. I did use this, and this. But this one's too thick. This one's too, this one I found good, but it's too gluey. Now I have to go with the glue stick. So I'm gonna start off with my fire, actually. Ta-da! Okay, so I've done all them. I can't share with you what I have done just in case the 5 people that are watching. So right now we have them all here. They have all the same stuff in them, I hope. Yeah, they do. And so there we go. So here are the envelopes. The Crafty Sensei is going to give us a quick link of how she did it. But this is how it fits in. And I think we should make more of these often. This one has a blue, the rest have white, except for this one. This has polka dot with yellow. And that's all for today's video. Bye, guys!